Hello! In this video, I will show you the abilities of ScandiPWA in regards to virtual product management. Specifically, you will see how to add a video to a product and how the checkout process for virtual products looks like. I will open the product in backend and add a video to its gallery. After any operation with products, they will be updated in the frontend immediately after save due to the ScandiPWA caching solution. No cache flush or any other manual operations are necessary. So I save the product and without any cache flushing operation, go to frontend, refresh the page, and see the video appeared. I can click on it and watch it in the pop-up. I will now add the product to cart and go to checkout. Notice that the shipping step is missing now. You should only fill in the billing information. I can also successfully complete the order.